stand muna sa gitna, center for photos. That's Jane, Gab, and JC.
You're right. This side. Right. Dito. Dito ba?
Please stand sa center muna for photos. Let's start in the middle. Sa gitna mo muna. Sa gitna muna, and then after a few shots. Okay, center again.
Dito ba?
Please welcome Yang Concepcion, Sam Milby, Yen Santos, and Jericho Rosales. Okay, pose muna sa gitna. Please look at the center muna. Center muna tayo. Yan. Center muna.
Dito, dito.
Thanks for coming.
Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to see you again.
Hi, magandang tanghali po. Salamat po sa time. Thank you.
Very halo-halo yung kulay ng dalawa.
Oo, may init kasi sama niyo sa So, isita na kayo sa Kuya Chen.
I know. Okay. Jericho, ikaw naman. After hearing yung mga sinabi nila, lalo na yung sinabi ni, ni Miss Amy Austria na susundan ka lang nila, you know? Kung ano yung energy mo, kung ano yung level mo, ikaw ang leader, ikaw ang kapitan ng barko nila. How does it feel?
How much time do I have? For someone who's, to answer your question kasi parang, malaki yung, hindi ko alam, unaware ako na I put pressure on myself to make things better and beautiful. My manager, Tita Marines and Kuya Alan, they know this about me. I don't want to accept things as they are. And I will always change something. And I respect the writers and the creatives. And I'm a black and white person. I may be sweet, but I will say my piece. But after that, you will know that you're my friend. If I can talk to you professionally, you're my friend. So, with all, I mean, lahat ng nasa puso ko lang respect eh. But every time we have a scene, I see something different. Obviously, I spend a lot of, everyone spends a lot of time with their parents, so alam ko yung dynamics ng magulang. Diba, alam ko yung mga pwedeng mangyari pag may bunsong kapatid, may mga ganyan, diba? Yung pwedeng sabihin ng character, we were given the responsibility to create a character, diba? So, there are things that they allow us to do, like rewrite certain things, rewrite lines. Sometimes, our directors allow us to even block ourselves and allow us to express. And that's something magical that happens on the set. And it's only born out of humility, acceptance, and collaboration. And that's what's important. So pag sinabi ni Nanay, bahala ka, I just agree with Yam na you just let it flow. You let it flow. And the most beautiful scenes na lumabas sa amin sa set were dahil sa improv.
Right.
Improv here, improv there, improv here, improv there. Improv talaga yung nangyari sa aming lahat. So we are so blessed to have our guide, our directors, diba, to guide us through it. Not to dictate, but to guide.
Yeah.
And the script is here. We all know that it's a soap opera, but no one here treated it as a soap opera. No one treated this thing as a soap opera. If we are talking about people watching on TV, 20 million views, everyone has an opinion about marriage. You are not creating a soap opera. You're creating a guide. So to me, I always say, I owe it to my job. Whatever differences, misunderstandings that we have, I do not care. I owe it to my job to give you the best. So when I step out of the set, it's not me anymore. Diba? It's my responsibility. I'm getting paid to do this job
Right.
with all my heart. So this is what I share with you. To obviously the writers are all here. You want to write something about this day. And yung staff and crew namin, you guys all know how much I love you. The directors know how much I respect and love each and every one of you. But I will share something. The very first day that I met Christian Bables, he was so confused and I will never forget that. He was so confused. We had FMR on the set, which is also a highly intelligent director. And he, you know, iba siya eh. Iba siya mag-isip. Long story short, he was taking care of Christian and Christian came up to me. Bro, first time kitang nakatrabaho. Eh, ginagawa ba akong mali? And he was almost crying. And I said from the very first, for someone, take note, I have a lot of things in my mind, and I don't remember by memory, I remember by heart. I said, Christian is the type of actor that you'd want to cast in any serious role. Because he will take it seriously. I will never forget the hunger that I felt from Ken, from Hero, from Chai. Who else do I will never forget that you know they have their ideas. They always we always talk about this. Kami nila Barry. Si Bobs, si JC. I saw myself in him when I was starting in Esperanza and nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, Rosalino. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
He had to work on his delivery, the way he says his lines. And the next few weeks, he was saying his lines perfectly, the way his character should. And si Maggie always has questions. Kuya, how's this? Kuya, di ba? From the first day that we worked together. I will never forget Sissy and Jay because all of the magical scenes happened between them. Nagbabatuhan kami ng helmet, ng lahat, ng ganyan. And this girl, from, hindi ko makakalimutan the first time sinabi ni FMR ba yun? Sa Bertolame's house? Umiyak ka dito, nag-walling. Sabi ko, yam, huwag ka mag-walling. Ang 80s pa ginagamit yun. So, hindi, nakita ko pa yun sa kagabi, yung panoorin mo yung Agyo, yung dinirect ni Direk Ruel Bayani sa MMK. Classic na yun. Nagwo-walling si Jackie Lu Blanco. 90s pala yun. But the growth of Yam, this girl is a serious actress and is hungry. So, I will tell you, she deserves more challenges in her career. So don't ever stop acting because you have it in you. Romnick, I had a scene with Romnick last night. And I've worked with Romnick for so many projects in the past. But the way we understand each other as actors and we just dive deep into these are the times na, ayoko lang i-remember, but I want to go back to that. I want the new ones to experience what we experience when we work on scenes. I want to experience the new ones to experience what I experienced with Chris, with Nanay, with sila Helen, when we discuss, how does this work, di ba? Because nandun yun eh. Si Tart, di ko makakalimutan nung re-rapin ako ni Jade, siya yung pumalit. That's when I realized...
Last show.
That's when I realized, may plano siya sa akin. Okay, and yeah, Tita Daisy, one of the most hardworking, purest artists on the set. A dubber, a certified artist. You have to have respect sa person na to. Multimedia yung talent niya and everything. I had so much fun with Uncle Ed, with our monologues ni Uncle Ed. Lambolilo, oh my, Tito Chris, who got nominated this year for a stage play. I will never forget these people who are so generous. Baste is so hungry for good stuff, so sensitive. You don't have to worry about crying, because crying is just, you're so good. You're so good. Mana ka sa nanay at magulang mo. But you know what? I want to encourage you to just be yourself. Be yourself. You have something in you that others don't have. So, you have a beautiful face, a great talent. So move forward with that. And this one, I will never forget this one. Kasi maraming pinagdadaanan sa buhay nito. But what I won't forget with this one is her strength, her inner strength, to be able to go to the set every day with everything in her mind and everything. And the artistry is placed before her own issues and everything. So to everyone who misunderstands every actor here on the set, I want to tell you, okay, we are artists and we respect and love our job, and we wanna go beyond that. So I will never forget this team. I will never forget this team. Obviously, lahat ng mga tao dito sa Lara, so thank you very much. That was a 7-minute speech. Thank you.
Thank you, Jenko.
Eko naman. Eko,
Alan.
oo, since pinuri mo na silang lahat halos kanina, di ba?
Si Sam, nakalimutan.
Oo, yun na nga. So si Sam wala dito, sayang hindi kayo kompleto. Ano naman yung...
Sakit yung tiyan niya eh.
Oo nga, parang ito yung... Eko, parang ito yung show ni Sam na talagang sobrang lumevel up siya as an actor din, no? Sumabay din naman sa'yo. So ano yung masasabi mo about Sam?
Yung kanina ko pa iniisip yun eh, parang naalala ko yung time na magkatrabaho kami ni Keither, ni Diet. Ganun kami ni Sam, pag nag-usap kami sa scenes namin. Si Sam, he's a very athletic actor also. He receives punches very well. He's good when it comes to choreography. He's a musician also, and so he understands, di ba? Iba rin yung sensibility niya, ika nga dun sa ano. And you know, parang from working on his Tagalog to actually thinking about his lines na paano ko ba sasabihin to, he's open like that. He's open to working with all of us. You know, all I can say is that I have a different level of respect for Sam now, you know, as an actor.
Wow.